Hey everybody, I'm Dan McClellan. I'm a scholar of the Bible and religion. And for literally centuries, scholars have acknowledged that the very first word of Genesis 1, Bereshit, is indefinite and is therefore almost certainly in the construct state, which means it shares a genitive relationship with what follows. So a more literal rendering would be in the beginning of God creating the heavens and the earth. That would make this a temporal clause and not the main clause of the sentence. Verse 2 would describe the state of affairs at the point in time that God began to create, which occurs in verse 3 when God says, "Let there be light." And so increasingly, modern translations of the Bible are rendering Genesis 1:1, when God began to create the heavens and the earth. And then verse 2 describes the state of affairs at that point in time. And then verse 3 introduces the first act of creation. And this is the majority view of scholars today. And I talk about this in a lot more detail in chapter 3 of my New York Times best-selling book, The Bible Says So, if you would like to learn more about what's going on in the Hebrew there. And tell you what, I will give away this copy of The Bible Says So, and I will sign it for you as well. So underneath this video, just go ahead and comment and let me know that you'd like to be entered into the drawing. And in fact, I'm going to post this across a few different social media platforms. So I'll give away a copy for each social media platform where this video appears. About 24 hours from now, I will just randomly draw one entry from each of the social media platforms where this video appears. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. And the fit for this video is the Data Over Dogma podcast.